Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to clear the site cookies in Edge app on Android. Open the Edge app, open any website that you want to clear the site cookies, say suppose ebay.com, and once you open it, tap on this padlock icon here, and at the top second option you will see clear cookies and site data. Select that and it will display the amount of storage data that is currently saved. You can just select this trash icon here and delete the cookies. So this way you can delete the cookies for any particular website. However, if you want to delete the cookies for all the websites on your Edge app, what you can do is you can tap on these three bar options and go to settings, and within the settings open this privacy and security and select clear browsing data. And here if you enable this checkbox for cookies and site data, and from the time range you have to select the range that you want to delete. Say suppose I selected for all time, and once it is done you can just hit on this clear data, which will delete the data or delete the cookies data for all the websites from your Edge app. In this way you can manage the cookies and even delete the site data. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.